Hello everyone and welcome to All About Sernas and Entertainment channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna share Taekook romantic eating and enjoying dinner date moments on New Year. Special latest clip in complete detail, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go click on the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Today, this moment of Taehyung and Jungkook is getting shared on social media because Taekook both were seen on a dinner date together. They both were seen enjoying together, and also they were seen romantically eating their food. Yes, they both were on their new leave from the unit, and they were seen in a restaurant like this when they got captured by a fan who was also in that same restaurant and saw Taekook like this on a restaurant table. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye everyone.